Guys, what are we doing?
We're at Kroger.
Wait, you're too close. No, stop. Go away. What are we doing?
We're at Kroger.
What do we want? What do we want? We want... Oh, you guys don't like butter snaps. Oh, these. Can we get the nibblers?
Yeah, those are good.
Are you good with the nibblers?
Sweet. Nibbler.
Alive and have a soul, but it takes someone to come around. But it takes someone to come around. Sometimes you gotta bleed to know.
Okay, ladies, what are we doing?
Eating some Chick-fil-A.
That's it.
That's all it's about.
We're going to Birmingham to see 21 Are we?
Really? Like now?
Yeah. Not like we've been waiting for this for many months. That's this weekend?
This one? I thought we were just going over. I hate you both.
Way to break the door in here! Gosh, this is why we can't bring you anywhere. Lily literally broke the store while we were walking in.
I ripped it right off the hinges.
Taking a little pit stop before we get to Birmingham.
Take this back, I'm gonna throw it out.
You fell asleep in my car, I drove the whole time. But that's okay, I'll just avoid the hole so you sleep fine. I'm driving here, I sit, cursing my government for not using my taxes to fill holes with more cement. You fell asleep in my car, I drove the whole time. But that's okay, I'll just avoid the hole so you sleep fine.
Okay, introduce yourselves.
I'm Lacey Hayes. I guess I'm from Madison, Alabama. I'm 18 years old.
I'm Laura. I'm from Atlanta, and I'm also 18 years old.
Cool. How long have you guys been here?
I have been here since like 7:30 a.m. Wednesday.
I got here around 10:30 p.m. on Wednesday.
Nice. And
Lindsay, are we saying when we got here?
yes. Oh yeah, I am when I got here.
I got here on Wednesday at 8 a.m.
My name's Laura.
Oh, okay.
I got here at 8 on Wednesday.
My name's Ashley. I'm from Indiana. I got here at 1 o'clock on Wednesday afternoon.
Update.
It's 4 in the morning.
4 in the morning, and we are here.
I'm tired.
I am tired.
What else is
Sleep
new?
deprived.
Oily. I'm just.
Oily. 52. Can't see it. Well, stay tuned. Just taking a nap on the street.
Hour 7. Again. Again. Hour 7. I don't know what it is to be warm anymore.
The songs on the radio are okay.
What's the update?
We're sitting in a different line now. Well, same line, different location. So, pretty exciting stuff.
We're about to move another time.
Literally for the 5th time.
I'm excited.
Hey Isabel, how are you feeling?
Terrible.
Like right now, describe the way that you're feeling into words. Is it possible?
I would rather Tyler Joseph tell me he hates me with all his being and that he never wants to see my face again. Those sentences.
That's a big statement.
Dasha looked it up. You got your double
Listen up. It is 70 degrees. I am wearing a long sleeve shirt, sweatshirt, sweatpants under a blanket in the beating sun. And I feel like death. Oh, good. Nice. I literally just woke up from a nap, just stood up, and just took all my clothes off. I feel like a new woman.
The songs on the radio are okay.
Update. The doors open in, guys, how many hours? Doors open in 4 hours. They are currently sound checking, and I am triggered. How excited are you?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I have to say a solid 10.
Solid. Same. Ditto. Whatever.